English Belarusian, can equals. A fun mini lesson. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the English Belarusian verb, can, that is. With a smile, some rhythm, and quick wins. Ready? Let's go. Your goal today. You'll hear, say, and use every core form so you can speak right away. Base verb, can. I can. You, sing, can. He can. She can.
Jana,
It can. We can.
ми можемо.
You, plural, formal, can. They can.
Вони можуть.
Funny mini dialogue. Let's drop these into a goofy scene, kitchen chaos with a talking toaster. Repeat after me. You whisper, can you open, toaster? You to the toaster. Arabic toast? Toaster beeps. But it wants bread first. Friend runs in, relax. Dapamagki. Pointing at Tom, don't worry. Padklusik elektriku. Coach voice off screen, and Anna? Of course.
Jana,
Kantralovac saws. Team enters, together.
ми можемо.
Arabic snadanak. You tell the group, folks. Nakrik na stole. Crowd chants, yes.
Вони можуть.
Use, especially eating. Rhythm drill. Clap along. Repeat each line with me. Keep it punchy. I can. You can, sing. He can. She can.
Jana,
It can. We can.
ми можемо.
You can, plural, formal. They can.
Вони можуть.
Modal base, can. Culture tip. Ability versus permission. Quick pro tip so you sound smart. Ability is. Like skills or possibility. Permission often uses.
Можна.
It's allowed. Example. I can drive. Veshi, but I'm not allowed.
Нельга.
Handy distinction, do. Speed quiz. Say the Belarusian out loud, then I'll confirm. Ready? Q1, we can. A.
Ми можемо.
Q2, you can, plural or formal. A. Q3, he can, short and confident. A. Q4, they can, shout it like a team motto. A.
Вони можуть.
Micro challenge. Your turn, do, quick creation time. Say a sentence starting with I can. For something real in your day. Point to a friend and say you can. Followed by an action. Make a team promise with we can.
Ми можемо.
And name the goal. Bonus. Say the base verb by itself, can. Lock it in with a smile. Wrap up. Nice work, do, you can absolutely do this. Today you learned can equals. And all key forms.
Jana, ми можемо. Вони можуть.
Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for transcripts, exercises, and more fun English Belarusian lessons. Do next time, you can do it.